Hello there, welcome to Cooking with Luka. Guess we just watched this last episode. Guess who's still processing this bitch right here. I don't know what to feel like. I cried a little bit. Yeah. Also, I am sorry the light is not great. It's because, well, I don't have the little thing. Wait, maybe it's here. Nope, I don't have anything that can give me more light to my face, so I will just look like this. Anyways, today we're cooking something very simple because I'm very hungry and we don't have much. Let's just do this like this. It's just gonna be like scrambled eggs. Just scrambled eggs. Okay, first we're gonna break our eggs. Why am I saying? Just break your eggs. Either way, I am not like a cook. Like, I cook for myself, sometimes for my brother, like my family, but like, I'm not bad, but I'm also not like, whoa, super extremely good. But I like my food, so that's what matters. Hey! Stay. Anyways, lyric. Good, great. I hate this white thing, I always take it out. Ah! No, get out. Ah! Anyways. Now I'm gonna pick the egg. It is a very simple recipe. Also, by this time I would be frying some onions with like this thing. It tastes like butter, but it's like vegetable. It's vegan and yeah. But I don't have onions, and I'm very sad about it because I really wanted the freaking onions. I'm trying not to swear as much. Look at me. Anyways, just beat the eggs, and now we are gonna put some black pepper, a little bit of black pepper, and some salt. And now we're gonna put in the milk. Is this enough milk? I'm gonna put a little bit more. You just have to put as much as you want, honestly. The more milk you put, the more you're gonna have. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. I am very hungry, so I'm just gonna. Okay, that's enough. And now we are gonna heat up our frying pan. Oh, I forgot, I'll keep this. I'm not gonna put it today because it's gonna make sound and you won't be able to hear me. But yeah, it's literally like, it's kind of a vegetable thing that kind of works like, I'm trying to see if you can see my face. You can't. It works like, it tastes like butter and it's good and I really like it. A little bit down. It's just melting. We wait. Anyways, while we wait, tell me your thoughts about the last episode. How are you feeling? How much did you cry? How much pain is I don't think anyone in this freaking fandom is okay. Now the butter is melted. We are going to add in the eggs. Last time I also put in some tomato because I'm trying to eat a little bit more healthy because I don't eat healthy at all. So but I didn't want to put tomatoes today. I wanted the onion! very sad about it. No, still not. Let's just wait a little bit. This actually takes no time at all. Like, it is very simple. I've been filming for 6 minutes and I'm already like almost done. Let me just scramble those eggs, make sure it doesn't become an omelette. Oh, shit! I forgot the cheese. The cheese. If you are lactose intolerant, I don't recommend making this dish. Just make it without, just make scrambled eggs without like milk and cheese. But yeah, I wasn't. Did I say who I was supposed to cosplay? Yeah, I was supposed to cosplay as Neil from Alpha the Game. But like I said, I watched the episode. I will cosplay him next time. And the eggs are almost done. I'm gonna go get the plate. Right, I have returned with the plate. While this finishes, I'm gonna clean the rest of the kitchen. That's it. It's done. And this is going to be my lunch. Scrambled eggs. Okay, so now we eat. Since this video is going to be short, might as well film me eating. I'm so hungry. It's good. You know what's missing? Onions. But yeah, I was very sad. Like, when I watched the episode, I was in the car going home and I was like processing. I was like, what did I just watch? And then I thought Luka died, so I cried a little bit. Like, as soon as I was like stopped processing, like as soon as I realized what happened, like processing it, I started crying because of Luka. And then I went to TikTok like, is Luka alive? Like, I needed to hear that he wasn't. And I saw a video be like, oh yeah, he's alive. Like, there's like this whole poster of him in the future saying that he's alive, he's back. And I was like, oh, that's like 7 years in the future? No. So I was very happy. I'm still sad over a lot of things, like, oh, Ivan dying still makes me sad, and so, but like, especially Ivan. And you know, I'm so sad about that. But yeah. Today is Friday, I'm gonna try to post tomorrow on Saturday. I have to edit it today. Or at least by tomorrow. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed me cooking. Should I do more videos like this? Like, I did a cooking video with my friends like last year, like a year ago, but it was like Genshin Impact. I was cosplaying Tartaglia. I did make another cosplaying, like another video cosplaying and cooking, and I think it was Tartaglia too, but I don't remember. I really don't. It was also last year, wasn't it? Pretty sure it was. Well, I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to try this recipe, it's very simple. It is very good. Yeah. Have a great day and have a great lunch or dinner, and I'll see you next time.